Well, hello everyone. My name is Darth Dingbat, and welcome back to Resident Evil 2 Remake. So, I'm in the sewers right now. So, this place is covered with poo, as you all know. And Mr. X, I don't know where he's gone to. What's this? Handgun ammo. And I actually died quite a bit last episode, like twice. 3 times, I don't know. And now Ada, she's stuck down there. Like she's stuck. And now I have to save her. So that's gonna be fun. That should be there. Wait, actually. Yeah, that should be there. And that should be there. That's the night plug. And so the only plugs I got is the pawn plug. Hang on. What is it? Yeah, that's the pawn plug and the night plug. Let's go and find the other plug so we can save Ada. Okay, let's go. Go through here. Pull this down. So the bridge can come down and I can get across. Oh right, I've only got the pistol and the shotgun right now, so that's an issue. Okay. Because I didn't get the Magnum like an idiot because I kept on dying trying to get it. Yeah, so that sucks. Okay, I'll need that. And I'll need that. So let's go. Ada's waiting for me. So because like she has a medal in her, like a little stick, and now she can't get out. She needs me to come and oh! Hello.
What the?
Die. Die. Thank you. You're not dead, aren't you? Yeah, you should stay dead. Okay, I'm going to combine with that. There we go. Have I got everything in here? No. So I'm going to go down here now. Wait, I got enough space. Okay, here we go. Let's use the tool that I just got. There we go. Okay, that's opening up. So, what I've seen so far, I've just seen zombies, big guys in fedoras, a guided scientist with a big arm that's trying to kill me, and zombies, and FBI agents that hopefully don't betray me later on. Hang on. What should I do? Yeah, I'm just gonna go down here. Yeah, I'm gonna go down here. Okay, what can we find in here? Oh, I mean, I'm in 2 right now still. Okay, what was that? Can't use that right now. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Oh my, what the hell was that?
I don't know, Liam, what was that? Okay, let's go over here. Oh. Great. Oh! Equip the grenade. Oh, I got equipped. Frag out! Frag out! Boom! And boom! You're dead, son. There we go. Let's proceed. Uh-oh. Another one. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, shit. Oh, there's another one. It's another one. Crap. Get up here. Get up here. There we go. They can climb it. They can't climb, right? Okay, that's good. Go. Oh, that was interesting. What's this? I can't use that right now, which is a problem. I won't need that right now. So I'm gonna go down here. That's shut right there, so I can't go through there yet. So I'm gonna get this. What's this? Looks like it's the queen plug. That's the queen plug, I think. Is that the queen plug? That's the queen plug. Gotcha. Okay. Gonna use on here because it says queen plug. And I'm going to go and get the king plug? I think that's what it is. What the hell was that? Okay, this is the... That's the king plug, okay. Gotcha. Let's go down there. Oh, great. Hello, man. I don't want any trouble, but you give me... You're dead now, son. You shouldn't mess with Leon. Ah, these zombies, they don't really know what to do. I'm gonna use the king plug so I can get this bad boy, the flamethrower. Here we go. And I'm going to get the king plug again. There we go. And I'm probably gonna get rid of my knife because I don't need that anymore. And I'm gonna get the queen plug. There we go. So I'm gonna open this door again. There we go. Open up. And I'm going to open this door now. Open up. And I'm going to go and get the queen plug again. That closes. And I'm going to go and get the king plug. And that closes after I get it. There we go. I've got the king plug and the queen plug. That's good. Oh, actually. Combine. There we go. So I got everything. I haven't got everything in here, but okay. It doesn't matter anymore. Let's go. Yeah. So I'm gonna. So just leave a comment. Comment in the comments below. What's your favorite Resident Evil game? Mine's this one so far. That doesn't sound good. Burn in hell, you stupid! Oh, there's one too. Burn! There we go. Whew. There we go. I love burning these damn monsters, wherever they're called. Let's go down here. And I think there's gonna be a monster that comes through here. Yep. Burn! Burn! There we go. He's dead now. Die. Thank you for dying. That's good. So I'm going to go over here. Oh, it's that sound is so good in the background. Like ding. Okay, so let's go back to the room with the chess pieces and you bastard! Ow! Oh no. Run! Oh god. Run! 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 There we go. I'm out. Okay, so let's go back to the chess piece and put the king plug and the queen plug in places. And then we only need to I forgot the rook plug, I think. So the king plug goes. Well, no, the queen plug goes there. I think that's what it is. Oh, what's this? Unlocking the U area door. I've lost the thing that tells you how to unlock the door to the U area during that last mad dash of a transfer. I know you have to stick one plug into each terminal, but if anyone remembers which plug goes where, please be a pal and share by posting the info on this board. Okay. I've already got that. Okay, pretty sure the rook and knight are on the same wall, and the bishop and queen are next to each other. Well, I know because... What is this? Oh, that's the rook plug, I think. So I'm going to use the king plug there. So that's done. Then I'm going to put this there. Gotcha. And I'm going to go back for the rook plug, I think it is? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Look, I got this flamethrower because flamethrower is so good in this game. I love it. Okay. Oh, right, these zombies are going to be there. Bam. Bam. He fell down the stairs. Oh no. Oh no! Get off me! Get off! Thank you. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna use one of my healing items. Oh! You little prick! Get off! There we go. Pull this down. Get down. Open, 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 open. Whack! Ah! Go, 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 go. What's that? I don't need that. Go, go, go. Oh no! Oh! Go, 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 go! Oh, thank God! I'm gonna use this tool now. There we go. Whew! Those zombies are annoying as hell. Like I'm telling you, so annoying. There we go. What's this? Oh! There we go. Okay, so I've combined those things. What's that? Oh, shotgun ammo. I need that. Reload. There we go. And press this button, let's go up. Okay. Have I got any knives? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, a funny pack. I need that. There we go. What's this? A roll. I don't need that right now. What's that? Oh, handgun ammo. Nice. We'll go here now. Oh, unlock. There we go. And I'm going for this. There we go. And it is the... It is the rook plug. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hang on. Yeah, put you there. There we go. Ooh! Bye. Have a good time. If your zombie party. Whatever you're having over there. There we go. Okay, so let's go let's go to the chest pieces again and put the rook plug in. And then we can go on our day. Oh, that's it. Piss off. And piss off. You're dead. And piss off. You're dead. There we go. Let's go. I don't have time for zombies. Okay, here we go. Let's go back to the chest pieces. Right now. Okay. I wish Liam would actually run faster than that, because he should have been going to the gym before the... Oh, let's see, he does have a bit of muscle. Okay, what do I not need? I don't need that anymore, so let's go. I think this goes there. Well, actually, I'm gonna take this, put the rook plug there. Wait. Or does the rook plug go down? I'll see. There you go. And then I'll put this there. The bishop plug. There we go. There we go. I did it. Whew. There we go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Almost there, Ada.
I'm coming, Ada. I'm coming. Oh. That's come in handy. We have this. Combine. There we go. Let's open this door.
Damn it.
Oh,
Need the
great.
power on first.
Get the power on. Okay. So, oh, that will also come in handy. Combine. Okay, so it's this one, this one, this one. Nope, it's this one. There we go. Power's back on. There we go. Let's go back to... Okay, I'm coming, Ada. Oh!
Jesus Christ!
Really? Oh, oh, fire, fire! Ah! Nope, this sucks. Ugh. He's gonna come for this. Oh, jeez! Ah! Oh! Heck off! Oh, damn it. Oh! Oh, damn it, I have to use one of these. There we go. Where's he up to? Where's he going now? Uh-oh. That seems like a problem. Oh! Oh, it's Birkin again. Run away!
Still alive?
Thank you for Thank you for moving, Birkin. I love you. Not. Let's go, 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 go. Oh, is he coming? He's coming! He's coming! Oh no! Run away! Go, 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 go. Okay, it's time to fight. Let's go, Birkin. Oop. Okay. I thought you'd be much more tougher than that. Oh! Okay, he's a bit tough. What should I use? I'll use this. Turn around. There we go. Okay,
Now
I need to slam him. Now I got you. Okay, there we go. That's going to slam him to him. And it's going to be okay. Okay, die, Birkin! Oh, really? Really, man? Oh, jeez, he has 2 heads. Okay. Okay, move, you stupid. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Ow. Get up, get up, get up. This is so not good. Ooh. I'm wasting so much ammo in this guy. Birkin, turn around. I need to shoot you. Oh, for God's sake. There we go.
Let's do this.
Slam this thing into him now. Whew. Okay. That's good. I'll get this too. Slam into him. Bam! Whew. This is so good. Now. Oh, don't you get up again, Birkin. Please. Please, Birkin. Oh, thank God. Bye, have a good time. That's killed him, hopefully. Okay, what have we got? Flash grenade, need that. Knife, need that.
Let's hope that's the last of them.
Okay. Whoa, what's this? I don't need mag ammo. Okay. I'm actually running out of much of ammo for some reason. So that's not good. Because I need ammo for stuff. Okay, let's go in here now.
Come on.
Oh, come on, door!
Ada!
Thank you.
Ada, where are you?
Ada!
Over here!
Over here!
Ada!
Ah, thank God.
Getting worried there for a sec.
Yeah.
I can't
You worried
get
me
up.
there.
I don't know if I should,
Just do it. I can't walk like this.
But you have a boyfriend! You said
Okay.
that in the last video.
It's gonna hurt.
Oh, I thought you were joking. You were joking? Oh, thank you. Okay, let's
I can
touch.
do it myself.
Just relax, okay?
Nope, I'm touching you now. You must. I must heal your wound like you did
do
to
we do
me on the shoulder.
Get yourself out of
Great.
here. While you
Get
still
myself
can.
out of here, but you're still here. I
just gonna leave
like you, girl.
Not
Though.
like this.
You don't understand.
I do understand.
The situation's worse than I thought.
You're not getting rid of me
No,
that
it's
easy.
not. You can't get rid of me.
Protecting me. Now it's my turn.
Now it's my turn.
Didn't realize we were keeping score.
We are keeping score. That's good.
Grab my shoulder.
Don't push it, Rudy.
Grab my shoulder, man.
Okay? Just trying to help.
Oh. But
Watch your step.
but come on, girl. I want to carry
Wanna
you.
help? We have to get to the nest.
Nest?
Umbrella's
Nest.
lab, right beneath us. Annette let it slip.
Oh,
That's where the virus samples are.
virus.
You up for this?
Oh,
I think I could fit it in my schedule.
we don't. Well,
What?
if you talk about
You got work
viruses,
to do.
well,
Yes, ma'am.
that's why I'm here. These videos to make you guys happy. Okay, let's go and let's follow Ada,
The cable car will
and
take us down to nest.
hopefully she leads us to the nest so we can
My
get
wristbands,
the
I'll take
G
it to the
virus
Nice. Where'd you
to
get that?
kill.
Borrowed it. Anyway, We're almost there.
So we can kill this virus, the zombie apocalypse. Oh, she's walking so slow now. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. I said come on. Come on.
Damn leg.
Let me carry you.
No.
Stop whining. Come
That'll
on.
only make me feel worse.
See, look at. If my shoulder was hurting, like I was like, oh, I'm whining so much. Shut up. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
The shoulder.
Oh
Worse
my
than it
God.
looks.
What a pair. Both got one foot in the grave.
We are a pair. Oh. Well. Well, I mean, in the original Resident Evil 2, the bit where you play as Ada, where you have to run off the net, in the original, that doesn't, that happens, I think, because I haven't played the original. But she just keeps on running after, it's like, there, like that. Okay. Let's do this. We're going to the nest, ladies and gentlemen, to get the G virus. The virus, the sample stuff. Yeah. Sit down.
This may
Take
be a one-way
take a
ride,
seat,
So be prepared.
young
Leon.
Wong. Yeah, I'm always prepared. I have flash grenades, knives, and guns. I'm prepared.
This
Let's
train
go.
is bound for Nest. Do not
This
exit
train
until
is
the
now for
final
Nest.
destination.
I haven't watched Final Destination, the movie, though. Is it good?
You
I
what
don't
was
know.
thinking? I can't wait for the FBI to raid Umbrella headquarters and take those
Ooh.
bastards to justice.
I agree.
Those
But to be
bastards.
clear, you're not working in official capacity. This is a federal case.
No, I am a detective,
G-Virus,
Kennedy.
I'm
I've
back on
got
my own.
this.
Hey, Leon. Trust me?
What? Yes, I trust you, but you do trust me
Trust
because
me?
I wouldn't be dead probably.
Honestly, if I didn't, you'd probably be dead.
Right.
Oh.
I thought I might need your
Well,
help.
I mean, she
And I was
did
right.
say what I was gonna say.
If you can secure the G-Virus, I can make sure what happened in Raccoon City
Aiden,
never
Aiden
happens
should be
again.
get copyright claims because
Yeah.
she copied me.
You said it yourself. It's a federal case. I don't
Leon,
have the authority.
Look at me. I'm a liability now. If I'm gonna finish this case, you're the last hope I've got.
Ooh.
I'm not just gonna leave you here. What if you're attacked? What if you need help?
Oh, love. We all love love.
Don't worry about me. I gotta see this through. And I want to see you again.
That's my leg, you
I'm
know.
here
You can't
for it.
touch. I
Trust
didn't
me.
give you consent to touch that yet.
Now, arriving at Nest.
You're arriving at Nest. Shut up, AI
Go.
robot thing.
Please, we don't have much time. You're gonna
Okay.
need this.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Leon.
Let's go and get the
counting on
sample.
you.
I know.
Yes. You should count me more though, because I am Detective Kennedy on the case. Yeah. Okay, so we've got wristband now. So let's go. And I've already said this a couple of times. Let's get the sample. Again, because I've already done this before. Okay, hurry up, Leon. We got this.
For your safety, stand clear until
For
the
your
doors
safety,
are fully
stand
open.
clear until the doors. Yeah, shut up.
For your safety,
Okay.
stand clear until the doors are fully open.
You can't tell me what to do.
For your safety,
Come on.
stand clear until the doors. Welcome.
There
to
we
the
go.
Nest.
Oh,
Enjoy your visit.
look what fell on me.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's stuck, but yeah. I'm gonna save. Okay.
Viruses.
And what am I? Oh, I don't want to save again. No. I'm probably going to put. Actually, I'll keep the flamethrower for later. So I will. Yeah. Okay. So I'll. I don't need anything from that. Let's do this. What's that? Shotgun ammo. Nice. Let's reload. Okay, what's on? I can't check the computer. That's. I want to though. What's this? Research lab. Nice. Okay, I've already checked everything in here. Let's go. Okay. Oh, what's that? Nap room log. 18545 Toby Jackson entered at 3:44, left at 7:31. 18546 Sarah Takaki entered 04 at 4:51 and then left at 7:08. And then 18547 Walt Purge entered at 3 past 12 and left at 36 past 1. Okay. And then this just keeps on going on and on, I guess. Yeah. People are entering and leaving. We got it. Okay, I'm gonna. How much space do I got? 3 spaces. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's a dark corner again. This game's always dark. Dark spaces. What's in here? Hello? Chefs? Uh-oh.
What the hell?
That zombie's eating too much ass. Somebody's eating ass. Like groceries. Uh-oh. Oh! I need that. Oh, shit! Eat flash grenade! Go, 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 go! What's that? Boom! Okay, I was getting too distracted by the zombie eating that ass. Okay. Alright, I got fuel ammo now. I can reload. Reload. Okay. Let's go down here. Which we can get. What's this? That's gunpowder ammo. Okay, I'll probably need that soon. Plus with a knife. Okay. Have I checked I haven't checked the whole thing. What's what have you got? Hello? Any stuff or other stuff around here that I need? What the hell? That was close. It says it says there's nothing else in here, but I don't know what's going on. Oh! Stop jump scaring me, please. So annoying. Okay, more shotgun ammo, that would come in handy. Reload. Shh. Now what's in here? What's this? Oh, for the flamethrower. Combine chemical flamethrower, that's good. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, oh. Combined with the wristband, and we'll get the general staff. I'm a staff now. Oh! Can you... you didn't expect me having a second one, didn't you? Huh? Oh god. Let's get out of here. Okay, let's go, go, go. Okay, I should be fine now. I stabbed the guy twice. Okay, where are we? Okay. I won't need the gunpowder ammo right now. Okay, let's put that in there. Okay, let's go on now. Whoop. Now what have we got? Special Forces recording. Alpha to Ghost. Target moving to west area must be going to receive the G-Virus and antiviral agent. This is Ghost. Understood. Rendezvous at point W3. Roger. This is Alpha. Active at destination. Arrived at destination. Understood. Stand by for the target. This is Alpha. I got eyes on the target. He's going to open the safe. Roger. And waiting the signal. Got eyes on the G-Virus. Going in. Dr. Birkin, you come along with us quietly.
G-Virus is in West
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, so William Birkin. So Birkin was getting the G-Virus for something, and those spy guys didn't want them to do that. Oh, that's locked for now. And then we go up here, and we put our hands on this. There we go. So I can go get that. Okay. Go down here. Yep, still running really slow. It's annoying. Open up door. There we go. So that opens up. Okay. Ooh, green herb. I think I got hit a lot, so there we go. Let's save. There we go. Well, how long are we going? 30 minutes. Okay. What else do I got? What's this? Okay, I don't need that. What's that? Gunpowder! There we go. So I'm going to get that. And then I'll combine that with that, so I can get that and that. There we go. So I closed the iron box, so I got enough ammo now, which is good. Okay, open that up. Oh. He didn't have a good
Jesus.
time.
What happened here?
I have no idea what happened here, man. Okay, let's get this. Oh, okay. What have we got? That doesn't sound good. Okay, I don't need that.
Jesus.
Oh! Uh-oh. Burn! Kill it with fire! Yeah, burn. Did I miss X? It better not be. Because that would be very bad. Let's get this thing.
Solution now.
Dispensing solution now. Okay. So that's dispensing solution now. But it's not enough to get that guy down. So I need to create some chemicals. Okay, so I need to open some stuff up. So I think it's that. Yep, got that. And then it's this. Then it's that. Error? Oh no. Wait, nope, back. That. Error, damn it. Oh, it doesn't matter. Actually, I think it does matter because I need to do this again. That. Okay, there we go. I opened it. Whew, there we go. Okay, let's go out here. Do. What's that? I don't really need it right now. Oh, it's one of those plant things again. Let's go in here. What's this? Herbicide. Okay. Plant 43 herbicide is place an empty cartridge into the solution dispenser. Add the required amount of UMB number 21 brackets P and is that an E or something? For a core immediately. Okay. Plant 43 exhibits extraordinary growth. If something unfortunate were to occur, it may be hard to control. In the event of an unforeseen incident, manufacture the hybrid using the instructions above in order to minimize damage. Okay. So I have to do this thing. Okay. Let's put this in.
Engaged. Adjust
Here we
amount of
go.
solution to match cartridge capacity.
So I guess we press that. Then that. Then we put that there. Do that. Then I change that. Do that. Then I go there. Then I change this, I think. And do that. There we go. I did it, guys. Oh, shit, I almost dropped my controller. There we go. So I'm gonna go and call it now. Alright, for that plant, I'm just gonna get my flamethrower out of just in case. So I can burn this thing. Burn! There we go. Whew. That's dead. Oh wait, I can't call it yet because I have to get the power thing first. Oh right, it's gonna be liquids here. Yep! Burn! Die! Oh, there's another one! Die in hell, you bastard! Wait, what? You're still alive? Burn! There we go. It's dead now. I'm gonna heal. There we go. Go in here. Okay. Oh, Jesus! Whew. Jump scare. Go over here. Go and get the power thing. Get that. What's that? Somebody's note. Everybody's 10. Versarai. They keep coming back again and again. Burn them all. Burn them until the whole body is black as ash. There's no other way. Well, I've been doing that, mate. What's that? Oh. Oh! There's a zombie in here. I'm getting out. Wait. There's something else here. What's this? Oh, gunpowder. Okay. Going down now. Oh! I don't like you! Oh, there's another one, of course. Ah! Stop it. Get some help. Okay, go, 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 go. Come on, Leon. Run faster than that. Okay, at least I killed those liquids back there. Okay, they're dead. What is it? Oh, there's zombies everywhere! Go, 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 go! Okay, examine. Okay, what is this? Oh, there we go. I did it. Put that there. Wait, it's wrong. What? Wait, which one is this? Oh, that was Murph. Right. He was in Murph. I think I got it now. There we go. Turn the power on. Oh, great. There we go. I'm going to this room now. What's that? Shotgun ammo. That could be coming in handy. There we go. Let's go in here. What's that? Oh, a knife. Oh, some more flame ammo. Reload. There we go. Iron box. I won't be needing that, I think. I won't be needing that. I'm gonna get rid of the knife and just stab someone. Hey, zombies! I need someone to grab me. Grab me. Thank you. Run, run, run. Okay, there we go. Whew. Go in here. Here we go. Okay, it's in
Welcome
here.
back, Doc.
What is in
You
here?
have 5 new messages.
Wayne Lee's inbox. Sent to Rick Mendoza. Subject: what's he up to? Can you believe that bastard can't wait? Call your jets, asshole. Well, I guess he is the boss for now. Anyway, have you seen my helix anywhere? I'll put the secret on the bottom. Let me know if you find it. Okay. Sender, Brian can't wait. Subject, busy guy, huh? So you couldn't make our little meeting. Fine. Don't worry about the greenhouse. Instead, I'll give you something real simple to do. Put together the budget estimate for the year after next and get it done tonight. Okay. Center, Rick Mendoza. Subject, are you alive? We're under attack. People are dead. The east area is cut off. We can't operate the bridge with the wristbands. We have here where is that bastard Cartwright hiding? Rick. Sender, Rick Mendoza. Subject, please reply. Plant 43 is going wild. The greenhouse is hell. We need to send someone in there before it's too late. Wayne, how do we stop this thing? You have to help us. Please reply. Sender, Rick Mendoza. Subject, none. Do you remember Susie, the cheerleader? What a great girl. We were both into her, of course. She wasn't into nerds. I still have to give you back those comics and games I borrowed, but you might have to wait a while. Okay. Whatever. I don't. So basically, everything went to hell.
Who left the freezer open?
Oh. Who left the freezer in here? Who would do that? Okay, let's put this thing in there. Boom. And then make this robot crane thing. Make the calling sequence, I guess. Boom. Get in there. There we go. So basically, I'll probably finish this game today. There we go. Whew. There we go. That coming up now?
Cooling
There we go.
complete.
Put that there. Cooling complete. Let's get out now. Go, go, go. There we go. We're out the ice freezer now. That's good. Are you dead? Yeah, you're dead. And stay dead, son of a bitch. Let's go. Yep, those lickers are dead. So now we just have to get to back. Oh! Ow! I hurt. Go, go, go. Oh, you guys are there. Oh, God. Get out, get out. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Get up there, Leon. Come on. Run, run. Okay. Oh, no. Go, go, go. Oh, no. This is creepy. Okay, I'm back in here. Let's use this thing. Whew.
Dispensing
Beep,
solution
beep.
now.
This thing too. Okay. Alright, so Resident Evil 3 just came out today, but I haven't played it yet. I actually pre-ordered it, but still haven't played it. My brother has played like
That
the
did the
start of the
trick.
game. I haven't had it. I didn't really get much spoilers, at least.
You have dispersed a dangerous solution.
This thing is there,
without
right? It's not.
authorization. Your actions
Okay, good.
have been logged, and you may be
Do, do,
subject
do,
to
do.
disciplinary measures.
Go, go, go. Get this thing. Combine it with the wristband. There we go.
Shit!
Huh?
Him again?
Oh, you gotta be joking. Oh, no! Oh, feck, I'm dead. Ah, damn. I'm dead. Well. Shit. But I think it autosave, so I don't have to do it all again, I guess. Because I think it autosaved. So that's good. Yeah. Normal difficulty. You must love it, don't you? Wait, did I... Okay, good. It did autosave. So I do have to do that all again. Let's put this in.
Dispensing
Beep,
solution
beep.
now.
Yeah. Okay. So we
That
can
did
skip
the
that
trick.
now. Go, go, go.
Warning. You have dispersed
Oh
a
god, what was that
dangerous
say? I'm getting my
solution
my
without
flamethrower out because you know that thing
Actions have
affects
been
me up.
logged, and you may be
And it's
subject
Mr. X returning now. That's a problem.
to
Put that
disciplinary
there.
measures.
Hi, Mr. X. How are you? Okay, run. I didn't really need to put my flamethrower on. That's good.
Shit! Him again?
Okay, that's. Oh no! Run, 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 run. Oh, that's a problem. That's a problem. That's a problem. That's a problem. Go, go, go. Just run. Run, Leon. Run like the wind. Go, go, go. There we go. Oh, I made it out. That's good. That's super good. Whew. Resident Evil, you must love it, right? Oh god, that scared the shit out of me. Mr. X returning? That's a problem. Whew. Okay, let's put this in. My hand there.
Hopefully the
And we
G7.
can get across over there now. Which is good. Let's go. And get the sample. And then we can get back to Ada and live happily ever after. Hopefully. Go, go, go. Oh, this is a dark area. Again. Oh, I need that. And that. There we go. Okay. Well, I don't really need this anymore. Oh, I need to put the power on. There we go. What is it? It's Oz. Okay. Oz. Oh, I got it immediately. That's good. Put the power on. I don't need that anymore. Okay. And let's put the video inside it, see what's on it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look, oh, now this is now I know what they're talking about. They're going after Birkin because he was dealing with the G viruses. We're going in. Let's. FBI, open up!
Dr. Birkin, you'll come along with us quietly.
Okay. Just like Rainbow
Think I didn't
Six
know you were coming.
with this.
This is my life's work.
Didn't think I know you were coming.
I'm not handing over anything.
We
Is
have
it, though?
our orders, Dr. Birkin. I'll ask
Oh.
you one more time.
Okay.
Stop! Hold your fire!
Shoot him! Oh, there we go. He's dead. Great. Whew.
What the fuck were you thinking?
Luckily he's dead now.
Our orders were to bring him in alive.
Not. Well, I hesitated. He's dead.
We're in, sir. But we had a snafu. Target resisted.
I panicked, I was meant to say. Ooh.
That's correct, sir.
What bad guys.
Roger that. Just the
Let's
same,
go
sir.
now. Yep, just the samples.
Let's
They
move.
took my samples. Oh no. Well, there's bloodstains on there now. Well, great. He's dead. Rest in peace, Birkin.
So those
Goodbye.
were G7.
There we go. Yeah, their GSM is really on. What's on this computer? William Birkin inbox. Oh, it's this again. Center, gender, subject. Suspending research on G. The Umbrella Corporation has decided to seize all research on G, which was ongoing at the Nest underground laboratory. All funding for this project has been cut, and laboratory director William Birkin has been removed from his post. Center, BE, subject, none. Okay. Thank you for your mail, Dr. Birkin. Top brass has expressed interest in this evolving bioweapon you mentioned. Do not worry about cost. Our company is the most well-funded in the whole of the United States. Is it though? Center, Richard Cresser. Oh. Such a congratulations. I had the good news, G. Is about Reddy Strange. You never thought to report to research lab here at Umbrella HQ. But I'm supposed I can let that slide. Anyway, send over the data, would you? Okay. And don't worry, you done good work on G. but we can take care of the rest. Censure Jane Doe. Subject none. Notice of bleh. You are under suspicion of breaching your content with the Umbrella Corporation. It has become clear that you have claimed ownership of the G project and have been in unauthorized contact with the U.S. military. Please report to the investigation committee summons within 24 hours. Okay. That's bad. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna go and get the G. What? Oh! I've done something I didn't want to do. I'm gonna get the wristband back. Gotta get this, and yeah, yada yada yada. Now I can go through here. There we go. Let's go back over here. Wait. That's for mag ammo, not getting that. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's go over here. So I'll probably do this part, and then the next part's gonna be the ending of the game. Yeah. So, what's that? Ooh, nope, don't need that. Okay. Wait, is there an iron box over here? There is. I'll come in handy. So I'm going to get this to combine with that and combine with that. That's good. Now I have so much ammo for the shotgun. Yeah. Then I'm going to go over here and put that in there. There we go. Is there a save point over here? Yeah, there is. I'm gonna get the GM sample, then I'll end the video. Well, actually, I'll get the GSM, then I'll save it and end the video.
That was easy.
There we go.
All right, now back to Ada.
There we go.
Attention. I'm on
Okay.
the
And then save. There we go.
of a level 4.
Saving content. Okay. That's the end of the video. I'm going to end the video there. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.